Hey, welcome back. Van here. In this video we're going to be making cranberry beef jerky. I know it sounds strange, but it's going to be good.
Hey y'all, this is Calvin. Calvin's Corner 72. You're watching Van's World.
Here we go. Let's get in it. First thing we want to do is add some teriyaki marinade. 1 cup of it. A cup of cranberries, dried cranberries. Let's see here, we've already shook this up. We need 1 cup teriyaki marinade. This is going to be a sweet one right here. This is going to be a sweet one right here. Boy, look at that syrup coming off there. Would you just look at that? You look at that syrup. I'm not a big fan of teriyaki jerky. Light brown sugar, 2 cups of light brown sugar. We've got a half a teaspoon of ground black pepper, 2 teaspoons of crushed red pepper, and 2 teaspoons of granulated garlic, and just a measly little 1 teaspoon of white wine vinegar. This is pretty much a dry, this is dry. There's not a whole lot of moisture to this. I'm just going to mix this up a little bit. Boy, look at that. I'm going to coat this jerky good. Do you remember the video I made where I did the country, the battered Cajun beef jerky? You remember that? This jerky, when it gets done, is going to be coated with this. And it's going to have the sweetness of the cranberries. All that brown sugar, that light brown sugar, actually acts like a cure. So, I'm going to mix this up real good. I brought out my little milk frother. Going to try to mix this up a little bit with it. Yeah. Going to froth it up some. Hey, get that light brown sugar mixed up real good in there. But the cranberries, after they start putting their flavor off in here, is going to make it really nice flavor with the cranberries. How many times did I say that? Alright, we've got 2 pounds of eye round cut up. They're 1/2 inch wide and they are 1/4 inch thick. Alright, now we're going to put the lid on here. We're going to pull a vacuum on our vacuum marinator and let this tumble for 25 minutes. 25 minutes. This stuff is so thick that you can't really see what's going on in there. But I'm telling you what, it's going to be doggone good. Doggone it, it's going to be doggone good. It's going to be like caramelized beef jerky. Caramelized. Yeah. Cranberry beef jerky. Boy, look at that glaze on them things, boy. Going in the dehydrator. 4.5 hours. Man, that smells good. Cranberry beef jerky. Boy, look at that. Golly bum. Hey, welcome back. Van here with Matt, and we have got a great taste test here.
Test of a taste?
Test of a taste.
I don't even know what that is.
It's a test of a taste.
Where'd that come from?
I don't know. It just happened one day. But this is cranberry beef jerky. And I'm so excited for Matt to try this because I like it. My kids liked it.
Good God, it smells.
What does it smell like, Matt?
It smells like cranberry. But it's a smoky cranberry. It's like if you took a cranberry.
Boy, look at that.
Get in there.
Get in there. Woo! Man, this is some good stuff.
You should now activate your smell-o-vision. No, it's good. It tastes. I don't know what it tastes like. It smells wonderful.
Tastes good in his nose.
Smells. Yes.
That's what my dog does. He keeps licking his nose. Cranberry. Sweet cranberry. This has got light brown sugar, cranberries, teriyaki marinade, ground black pepper, white wine vinegar, and crushed red pepper. Now Lisa says she didn't like it because it was hot. And I'm starting to feel some heat right now.
This is good. I like it because the cranberry's not strong at first, but as you're chewing and chewing, I don't know what, if you're just breaking up the meat and the marinade's starting to come out, but it kind of tastes like it's getting more, it gets more cranberry as you're chewing on it. That's good.
It's definitely sweet.
Yeah.
Do you feel the heat yet?
Yeah. Yeah.
I'm getting the heat right now. And it's not a whole lot of crushed red pepper to bring that heat out. Was it,
Look, my taste buds...
2 teaspoons.
My taste buds are wrecked because of this guy with his death nut challenges. But
That's
yeah.
some good stuff. That's some good stuff. I want you to look at it. I want you to look at it again and see that glaze on it. My daughter, when she tried it, she said that... Yeah, it's sticky. My daughter, when she tried it, she said it reminded her of when you go to the Chinese restaurant, that pork on a stick. She said it tasted like a Korean or Chinese.
It does. Almost like a General Tso's chicken. You know that sweetness in the hot?
Yeah.
It's good.
Or maybe that sweet and sour that you dip your chicken in.
That's probably the best one you've done, in my opinion.
You really think so?
Marinated things, yeah.
Did you get to try the jerky?
I don't think so.
Oh, that's why. He didn't try the jerky. Check it out. That's some good stuff, man.
It's good. I likes at it.
Anyways.
That's weird, man. You come over to Van's World and you act stupid because it just rubs off on you. It's just, you just walk in this thing and Goofy comes out.
What?
What I love about Van, here in Van's World, that's a totally different Van. You get Van somewhere else, it's a different Van. It's not the same Van.
I'm by
It's
the
all
book.
serious Van.
I'm by the book at work.
Serious Van.
Let me kiss it out. See that? Sarcasm?
There's nothing sarcastic about him at work. I don't even talk to him at work.
Yeah, I didn't think he liked me for a long time.
I still don't. But he makes good beef jerky.
Hey, y'all, tell Matt.
I'm gonna shut up now. Go ahead.
Tell Matt thanks for stopping by and trying out this taste test.
Don't be mean now. I'm soft.
I'm going to leave a link to his YouTube channel too in the video description. Y'all go check that out. If you tried this or if you're planning on making it, if you've ever made it, if you do make it, leave a comment in the comment section down below and tell us about it. Y'all, thanks for stopping by. Thanks for watching. You have a good one now. You come back. Hell yeah, that's some good stuff.
I like it.
What do you think the
It's
kids going to
getting
think
hot.
about it?
I don't care. 'Cause it's good. That's good.